Hello guys, today we're going to see how to free up space on your Windows PC. Let me show you how to use the disk cleanup utility in just 1 minute. So first you go to this start button here, you write disk cleanup and you press on this one. This window will pop up right here. You press on OK. You will get this new window. You choose all the files that you want to delete and then press on cleanup system files. So you can see here that we already saved almost 400 megabytes of our storage. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips.